right, so today we're going to be doing a unboxing of our Haven Connect product. As you can see here, it comes in a black box with a blue Haven logo on the top. A couple things to note during shipping. You may notice that the tape may be fully sealed or cut. Sometimes at our warehouse we add additional things into the box, stickers, instructions, etc. Totally normal, but this is what the box looks like that the product comes in. As you open up the box, you'll notice a few things that you have inside the box. Number one is a thank you card from us saying we really appreciate your business, and it has a couple quick help guide items on the back. So if you buy this off of our website or off of Amazon, review this on the back first. Don't call Amazon or one of our other retailers if you have an issue. Call or email us right at the number below, or go to our help section page so that you can get any questions answered. We have a great support team that'll help you through any of the issues. Another thing that you may notice when you first get the box is that some of this orange filament on the box is touching the sides of the lock. Totally normal. It's just the ink during transit rubbing off. This is super high grade polycarbonate material. All you have to do to clean it is just take a wet rag. If you wipe it down, it should totally come off. This is the same type of material that's used in marine grade applications. Another thing that you may notice, let me take this out of the box so you can see it. Another thing you may notice on the inside is inside of the charging bay is this small sticker right here and this port here. We made advancements in our product to utilize the internal battery that's on the inside. It's not replaceable, it's always on the inside. You charge it from the charging port right here, but these E90 batteries are no longer needed in any of our units. We've made some firmware updates to enhance the charging cycles of the internal lithium-ion battery. It should last you over a year with normal daily use, so that's a positive thing. Let's take a look and see what else comes inside the box. One of our most commonly held questions is, where is my template, where is my riser? This particular component is the riser for the lock. So if you need to raise the height of the lock up, you simply put this underneath the lock to raise it. You can use up to 3 of these risers are available on our website at havenlock.com. But this is also your template. So if you mark your holes utilizing this template and the orange spacer that's provided in front of the door, this should be able to help you install the product more easily. The other common question that we get on any of our lock products is, why is the product so loud in terms of what this gate sounds like when it is raised and lowered? Simply, that is the gate hitting the steel base plate at the bottom. Totally normal. You're not going to break the lock. This thing is tested to last up to 27 years of active daily use of normal wear and tear before it shows any signs of aging. So that was another common question. One of the other things that we have and we get asked all the time is, hey, my gate won't lift. There's a problem with it lifting. Sometimes when you install it or during manufacturing, these straps on the bottom become bound underneath the section of the base plate and the floor. So simply loosening the screws after you install it, adjusting these straps, whether on the bottom or by taking the gate cover off and simply making sure that there's enough slack, there's no binding in the straps, will take care of that problem altogether for you. Another common question we get is, hey, my battery is only charging up to 50%. Why is that? These locks come with a charging port on the side and a USB barrel adapter plug. This is the only thing that charges the lock, and it should last over a year long of active daily normal use. But if you're only getting 50% out of your charge, simply unplug the lock, plug it back in. Due to different voltages and wall outlets, it's just a protection feature. It's not the product not charging properly. It's a safety feature. Simply unplug it, plug it back in, and this should take care of some of your issues. The last thing I wanted to go over is making sure that you go to this support number right here. Call if you have any questions. We're very responsive even after hours on that number or on that email address below. Any questions that you have, we should be able to get them solved so you don't have to either return the product, or if you just simply have a question about use, we can take care of that. And then again, here's the quick help guide, instructions on the card, and the help website address below. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you enjoy your new Haven product. Thanks again.